Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture series. So in this video we are going to learn the parameterized constructor. Till now we just see in the last video that we have declared one constructor, and whenever you are declaring some object, the constructor is going to invoke automatically. So basically when you are calling a constructor, a new operator is used to allocate the memory to the objects. And that's very handy to initialize the values whenever you're declaring the object. So instead of input, fine, I can do this initialization within the constructor itself. So I'm going to cut this code and I'm going to paste it over here. That would be the next line. So no need for the input. Okay, you can just copy it instead of deleting or moving it. So now I'm assigning this through the constructor, not through the member function. So now you can observe the difference that I'm not calling the input over here. So instead I'm going to give the value for this O at the time of a declaration. So let's suppose I'm giving a 100 as a parameter to the object 1. So now here, not a default constructor, parametric constructor is going to be called. So here I'm going to call this parameterized constructor and 100 value is passed to it. But when I'm going to compile this, we will having an error. Okay, we will see that why we are having that error. So let's compile this. Okay, so in this particular case we are not having an error, so it's simple. The definition match with our constructor, so a is equal to 100. So your error would occur when you are going to declare now object, let's suppose o2, without any argument. So without any argument, if I'm going to compile it, so it will say no match for abc without argument. Fine. So candidate expected one argument, 0 provided. So again it's asking me to give some value. But what if I'm going to declare a simple object? So in a previous case when we hadn't declared a parameterized constructor, in that particular case the default constructor, that is implicit constructor, was called. So now to take care of these free declaration, so I have to declare a constructor without any argument. So this is a default constructor or user defined default constructor. So now you can see that this is the same thing what we have done with a function overloading. Function with the same name but number of argument are different. So now this concept is known as constructor overloading. So now you can see it's pretty obvious that I will not having any error at this time. Okay, so let's run our program. Okay, now you can see arm constructor. So let's put just to specify that thing, that this is default, or you can say zero argument, zero argument constructor. I am parameterized constructor. Okay, so now let's see that the corresponding version of constructor will be called. I'm parameterized constructor. So first I'm calling this constructor. So then I called the zero argument constructor. So then o1.show has been executed. So this was about your parameterized constructor and why is it mandatory to give a default constructor. So in the next video lecture, we are going to look into the detail of the constructors. Keep tuned and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you will get the latest update. So thanks for watching.